Mission background and timeline. Launch and arrival. Shubhanshu Shukla, a 39-year-old Indian Air Force pilot, lifted off aboard the SpaceX Crew Dragon capsule Grace as part of the Axiom 4 AX4 private mission on June 25, 2025, marking India's return to crewed spaceflight after nearly 4 decades. YouTube +15 www.ndtv.com +15 The Times of India +15 The Times of India +4 Reuters +4 Reuters +4 Reuters +4 Reuters +4 Docking with ISS. The spacecraft docked with the ISS on June 26 at 4:01 p.m. IST, and Shukla entered by 4:15 p.m. IST. He became the first Indian to live and work aboard the ISS, and only the second Indian in space ever, after Rakesh Sharma in 1984, ABP Live +7, YouTube +7, The Hans India +7. Duration and activities. Originally planned as a 14-day mission, it ultimately extended to an 18-day stay, during which Shukla and his fellow crew members conducted over 60 experiments, including 7 experiments designated by ISRO on topics like microgravity biology, seed sprouting, tardigrade behavior, and oxygen production. Return, journey, and splashdown. Undocking and re-entry. The Dragon capsule undocked from the ISS on July 14 at 4:45 p.m. IST. The capsule's deorbit burn began at 2:07 p.m. IST on July 15, initiating a re-entry trajectory, with heat shield temperatures soaring to nearly 1,927 degrees Celsius, 3,500 degrees Fahrenheit. Telegraph India +7, The Indian Express +7, The Times of India +7. Splashdown. On July 15, 2025, at about 3:01 p.m. IST, Shukla and the Axiom 4 crew splashed down safely in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of San Diego, California, after a 22-hour descent from orbit. The Times of India +15 ABP Live +15 YouTube +15. Recovery and medical checks. The crew was assisted out of the spacecraft by SpaceX recovery teams and carried aboard a recovery vessel where they underwent health checks. They were then transported by helicopter to shore for further evaluations. Back in India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi hailed Shukla's achievement, saying he had inspired a billion dreams and that the mission marked a major milestone toward India's own human spaceflight project, Gaganyaan, expected in 2027. YouTube +7, The Indian Express +7, The Times of India +7. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and Home Minister Amit Shah also lauded the mission as a source of national pride. The Times of India. Public sentiment and ecosystem. In his Man Ki Baat address, PM Modi noted a surge of curiosity about space among children, with India's space ecosystem witnessing over 200 startups emerging around such missions.